Can't afford to buy a house, so we bought a boat. It's rusty and it's dated, but at least it floats. So follow our adventure as we build our home. Welcome to the channel, it's Project Bluey.
Here is Bluey, and it's time for the end of phase 2 walk round to show you what we've done. So basically there's just a lot less of Bluey than there used to be. So up the steps here and along into the bridge. And as you can see, it is pretty well stripped out. We are saving a little bit of wood here, some nice bits of wood, but everything else is gone. No ceiling either. And you may remember that here used to be where the stairs were, but now ain't nothing down there. So I've got to get into the lower section another way. So we've got to come back out. There's Mariah doing the last little bits of cleanup. And we've got to come down into this section, which has undergone the biggest transformation, as it's now completely empty. Look at that. So there's no floor, there's no ceiling, there is no anything in here anymore. And this is the end of the boat. I do have plans to extend this, but if we look back round, this is now what Bluey's innards look like. Now, the next step when we come back from the UK in a month's time is to start to treat all this metal. As you can see down on the floor, there's a lot of yellow gunk, there's a lot of stuff on the walls. It all needs to be basically stripped off and treated. And some of it painted and some of it welded, but basically we've done an incredible job. And it's quite strange to have done this much work and have such a different boat. But here we are. This used to be the kitchen area, all looks good, and this here was the hatch, which had the stairs, which are now there, leading down from it. But yeah, nothing left inside, except a little bit of water, which is being stubborn, so I need to find another way to pump that out. But anyway, it's not going to sink in the time that we're away. Right, back out. Engine room is underneath here, and that's, well, basically the same as it was because we haven't done anything to it. But that is the little tour of Bluey on this sunny March day. And we are done with phase 2. Hells yeah. Give us a hells yeah, Mariah. If you'd like to help us turn this boat into our forever home, then we are selling T-shirts on our website. All proceeds will go towards this project.